Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this beautiful day, I would like to present my textbook review. Alright, before I tell you the review of this book, let me introduce myself. My name is Firda Malia. I'm 5th semester of Department of English Education, Faculty of Tarbiyah and Teacher Training, Syarif Hidayatullah State Islamic University of Jakarta. Right. This is the book that I choose, and I will tell you the review of this book. The title is The Queen of Education. This is the information about this book. The author is Loen Jensen, publisher Jessie Bass, that published 2004, and pages 219. Alright, for your information, the Queen of Education in here was Loen herself, and she told her experience about teaching in this book. So for teachers to be, it is so important for you. I hope that you will interest in watching my video. Alright, this is Loen Jensen's background. At first, we actually call her Jensen. Jensen was a former United States Navy journalist in 1971. She worked there for 8 years, and she also was a Marine Corps officer. And from that, because her best work, she got Navy Commendation medals and Air Force Achievement award. So because her best work as a journalist in the TV or radio broadcaster. Alright, let's move. She also a high school teacher in San Mateo County, California, and she also was a college instructor, and she was a famous author. She had create a movie and a novel like this, autobiography. So she was so famous in other field. Alright, become the Queen of Education. Johnson actually had speak to the reporter that say fixing the school is a lot of work, but if you make me queen, I will see that the job will gone. It means that if she dedicate as a queen of education, she will fix the education system, so the student will get the better education system. And from that, she also deflate the bureaucracy, what is it, bureaucracy handle. And yeah, she also avoid the selling children to the highest highest company bidder. And she also want to create the student that have knowledge, and it will be useful for many people. And from that, Johnson like to do the innovation in her teaching. And one of them, Johnson apply her her journalist habits in teacher. After the class, Johnson always asks to her student to write their journal, and after that they collect it to Johnson, and yeah, Johnson will give feedback to them. And most of the student will ask about her problems in their life, and Johnson will give the good advice, or give the motivation to them. So if they will back to school tomorrow, they will have important lesson from Johnson. And Johnson also uh, concerned to public school, because she didn't want to what is it, to differ the lower or poverty children with the what is it, the privileged student and unprivileged student. She didn't want to, because all of students have the same right to get the good education. And yeah, as the queen of education, Johnson also make an edict, royal edict. So his royal edict consists of seven royal edict, and one of them told that in classroom there are no more than 20 students. So the teacher will concern to teach the student very well. They can focus one by one the student, and it will give the sufficient learning process to them. So in this case, Johnson didn't want to put more of 20 students in the class. And yeah, for the government itself, uh, Johnson also give her royal edict to them, where if they want to change, or there was change of curriculum or syllabus, the government or the relative must do the training for the teacher, uh, minimize 2 weeks for every school, because Johnson didn't want to get the misunderstanding between the teacher or the government about the syllabus or the curriculum. So Johnson always concerned about the details needed of student what is it, student needs. And yeah, Johnson also didn't want to force her student to do the homework, because yeah, as her for her, homework is just what is it, an effective way to give motivation to student. In this case, Johnson prefer to give motivation, to give effective way to uh, her student, uh, so that the student will study and enjoyable, and they will get the better education. And in this book also, Johnson put some uh, her students' journal, and most of them actually asked about their problem. And I still remember about one of her student asked her that I had done the best behave to my friend, but uh, my friend didn't want to make a friend with me. I don't know why it happened. Uh, could you give some advice for me? And yeah, uh, Jensen give the good advice, and first of all she will give the motivation, but after that she gave the suggestion and good motivation, good advice for them. So it will give it will increase their self-esteem in uh, themselves. So as a good teacher and as a queen of education, I mean Johnson has do her best, because every student of her always be pleasure when Johnson will teach them, when Johnson teach them. And yeah, there in this book also she give some tips for teacher if they are teaching in the class. And one of them that I remember is as a teacher you must show your student how it done, how you can done this work, not to give the result or just score, but you must give the effective way to uh, to finish this work. And yeah, it's not easy for teacher actually, but if you have innovation in yourself, you will get the, what is it, you will get the idea to apply that. And yeah, this book was very good for teacher, and I recommended you to read this book. Yeah, I got it from Center Library. And yeah, uh, Johnson always always get friendly with her students, so the student will enjoy uh, in learning with her. So this is the, what is it? It is their her works. Yeah, you can see this. The work of her was so, yeah, this work so impressed, because you can see from the title, my process don't do homework. Yeah, that's unlogically for us, because every student will have homework from their teacher. So uh, Jensen have own way to solve the problem about the homework, about the assignment. And this is her another work, and this so interesting, and you must read it. All right, and this is the quote that I got from this book. This part of people's live a life, and we can't separate it from education. Knowledge counts, but common sense matters. Yeah, you can learn from this quote, because you can teach the student using the art. I mean, art is you you are that habit, and it will different with each other. That's art. Alright, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.